क्रिश 3 एक साइंस फिक्शन सुपर हीरो फिल्म है जिसे डायरेक्ट किया है राकेश रोशन ने। दिस इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द सीरीज। ऋतिक रोशन एंड प्रियंका चोपड़ा reprise their roles while they are joined by new cast members Vivek Oberoi and Kangana Ranaut. Will Krish 3 provide the fireworks to brighten up this box office? आइए फाइंड आउट करते हैं। Krishna Mehra, along with his father Rohit and wife Priya, is leading a double life as himself and as a superhero Krish. सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है and Krishna and Priya expecting their first child. लेकिन there is trouble in paradise with the arrival of the evil genius Karl, a super intelligent scientist. Karl has special powers, लेकिन वो बचपन से ही paralyzed है. While searching for a cure, he plans to destroy humankind and replace them with mutants created by him. कार्ल को टक्कर देता है क्रिश, जिसकी वजह से उसकी फैमिली खतरे में पड़ जाती है। Will Krish be able to protect his family and mankind from the menace of Karl? इसका जवाब मिलेगा इन क्रिश 3। ऋतिक रोशन दिखाई देंगे टाइटल रोल में एज क्रिश। He also plays the elderly scientist Rohit Mehra. Hrithik is in excellent shape as he displays his perfectly sculpted physique and looks every bit the superhero he's portraying. Action scenes में he is lethal और emotional scenes में उनकी intensity superb है. As Rohit Mehra, he looks cute and delivers an adorable performance. ऋतिक ने दोनों characters को इतनी बारीकी और conviction से निभाया है कि after a while you forget that both roles are played by him. He is the ultimate firecracker in this film. ये कहना पड़ेगा कि इस दिवाली ऋतिक ने अपना नाम और भी रोशन किया है। विवेक ओबरॉय दिखाई देंगे एज कार्ल। Although he spends most of his time bound to a wheelchair, his performance is believable and menacing. उनकी dialogue delivery काफी अच्छी है and he plays a super villain to perfection. प्रियंका चोपड़ा दिखाई देंगी एज प्रिया मेहरा। She plays the wife of Krish and gives a very good performance which is stating the obvious. ऋतिक के साथ उनकी pairing अच्छी लगती है and this actress proves that she is a bankable star. कंगना रनौत निभा रही हैं काया का रोल। She plays a shape-shifting mutant. कंगना looks like a total pataka and delivers a killer performance. उन्होंने अपने कैरेक्टर को अंडरप्ले किया है and is quite effortless. She also excels in the fight sequences. क्रिश 3 को डायरेक्ट किया है राकेश रोशन ने। While the screenplay has been written by Rakesh Roshan, Hani Irani and Robin Budd, फिल्म की स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग और लॉजिकल है and requires very little suspension of disbelief, which is rare in Bollywood. हालांकि quite a bit is inspired by Hollywood superhero flicks, it works very well. There are no random scenes, it is very well scripted and to the point. The special effects are easily the best ever seen in Bollywood and the action scenes are mind-blowing. Background score by Salim Sulaiman is good but not memorable. Overall, Rakesh Roshan shows exactly why he is regarded as an intelligent director and a filmmaker ahead of his times. क्रिश 3 का म्यूजिक दिया है राजेश रोशन ने। टाइटल सॉन्ग को गाया है अनिरुद्ध भोला और ममता शर्मा ने एंड प्लेस ड्यूरिंग द एंड क्रेडिट्स। ममता शर्मा's vocals are very good, although she sung it very differently from her signature style. गाने के लिरिक्स ठीक ठाक हैं, but the music is good. रघुपति राघव को गाया है नीरज श्रीधर और मोनाली ठाकुर ने। गाने का म्यूजिक डिसेंट है and the chorus is catchy, but the lyrics could have been better. दिल तू ही बता एक रोमांटिक गाना है जिसे गाया है अलीशा चिनाय और जुबिन गर्ग ने। This one is vintage Rajesh Roshan, although the lyrics seem retro, while Alisha's vocals are breathtaking. God Allah और भगवान has been well sung by Sonu Nigam and Shreya Ghoshal. इसका chorus interesting है, लेकिन गाना average है. Overall, apart from a couple of songs, Krish 3 का music does not live up to the huge expectations. Krish 3 is a superbly made superhero science fiction film. A lot of thought has gone into the story and screenplay and it doesn't challenge the audience's intelligence. Hrithik Roshan delivers a spectacular performance and sets a new benchmark for double roles. Kangana Ranaut impresses with a mutant mischief while Vivek Oberoi and Priyanka Chopra complete the fireworks. Director Rakesh Roshan lights up the canvas with his lavish strokes and grand vision. Film कभी भी melodramatic और preachy नहीं लगती and despite its runtime of 2.5 hours, it never drags. It is the perfect antidote for the mindless entertainers generally seen in Bollywood. This one has blockbuster written all over it and is the ultimate Diwali dhamaka. Krish 3 को मैं देता हूँ 4.5 stars. I dare you to miss it.